Yeah. Love. Yeah. Shit. Let die. This shit is going like that. Nigga saying what you saying. Try to tell you motherfucker, man, I'm gotta go to sand. They talking about they really local in the brain. Got some Mexicans, nigga come through and chrono man. Hit him up with that ill type of shit. Live him up from empty clips. Nigga thought he was sick. I told you motherfuckers, man, we do cartel. Nigga throw up the shit or the baby takes fly. You understand what we do, we take fly. Come up, nigga, and you know that we bout to show stop. Them bitches looking at it like they bout to drool, bro. I try to tell you cause the motherfucking droozy's cool. Nah, I told you motherfuckers, we hit the victory. Let's a champagne shower, nigga, how we do it, nigga. I'm taller than the tower, nigga, who would knock this building? Look, bigger than that big and small. I hit the Beatles type of records with this rapping, y'all. You understand what I'm doing, man, I'm Sonny Smith. Nigga, I hold the whole clip, what it is. Yeah, nigga. Told you motherfuckers, man, I got fixed. Out here, nigga, played LA Tommy figure. You know how we do it, then we hit the scoreboard, man, we make it, nigga. We hit the scoreboard, boy, we make it, nigga. We hit the scoreboard, yeah, we make it, nigga. I told you, motherfucker, I was gonna make it, nigga. Look, a nigga hit the car show. I told you niggas, man, I'm really like wild dog. I'm all striped up, black, nah, nigga, dog. But I come through with some red, white clothes. You talking like you ready just to see me, nigga. I am that Western Flame spitter, get the fire pumping. She over here just gripping on my neck like fire hosing. I try to tell you now, I'm about to really hold the pump. In the throat, now she talking like she want more. Told you motherfuckers, man, I gotta go, go, tight girl. See out here, nigga, on the dance floor, showing some. Yeah.